are in the store. You can see the types of rugs they have here. Right now they're vacuuming all the soot. They have over 10,000 rugs on site just on the first floor. We brought in the ODOROX MVP48. Paul Davis brought us in. They're having a great time here. Friday afternoon, the 26th, we set up the hydroxyl. So we're now treating the entire first story. We brought in a second machine for the second story. Top drug dealers in the country, and you can see the second story has been tarped off